Hi everyone, this is Matthew. I'm really glad to have you on my channel. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Speaking now about starting a business, there was no better time than now. It might be totally unexpected to you, and you might be really...
The coronavirus spreading.
Global pandemic.
He warned Americans to be prepared here at home, that it's not a matter of if, but when.
Much concerned about the coronavirus like everyone else, but because everybody's focus right now shifted towards the coronavirus and how to avoid coronavirus and how to sit at home and defend yourself and your freedom and defend yourself and your health.
What we're talking about is a sickness called COVID-19, caused by a new strain of coronavirus.
Now, when everybody is shifted towards some other subject, there is a lot of opportunities that are rising on the other side, and specifically on the side of the supply, because all the real estate and the travel industry, in particular all the logistics and all the real estate, which is in the public places, it's basically empty right now. And because it is empty, the owners of the real estate and the current tenants are experiencing a whole lot of trouble related to coronavirus, because there is no demand for their product, for their services. So whenever you have an idea about starting a retail business, a food business like a restaurant or a cafe or a fast food, or you have plans to open a travel-related businesses like tour operations, or probably you have in mind some kind of a hotel or Airbnb, that's the right time to start. You have the biggest negotiating power of all times. It's a good start, because once the market is very low, you can get the terms fixed, the lease terms fixed for the next 10 years with quite low rates at the moment, and that will help tremendously your business in the future.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Of course, you should have a sufficient financial cushion in order to sustain the actual coronavirus period, while there is a really low demand for all services related to travel and real estate. Thank you for watching. Keep the thumbs up. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button and subscribe. See you on my next videos. Bye bye.